Today on What's Kickin' on 66 with the Valentine station, I would like to bring to you today an awesome Route 66 explorer. Her name is Sylvia, and she rode her trike, Myrtle the Turtle, on Route 66 and all across America on a 9,000-mile, 10-month trip. I got to meet her at the Hackberry General Store. She took a few minutes out of her trip while she was changing batteries on her trike to talk to me, and we were able to film this video. I'll give you a little bonus tip. If you are filming an interview or anything like that and your camera has two mics, a front and a rear, you may want to make sure you're on the front mic instead of the back mic. So the sound, probably not what it should be on this, but nevertheless, a great story with a ordinary woman doing an extraordinary trip here across America. So enough of me, here's Sylvia. This is Ruben from Valentine Station, What's Kickin' on 66, and I'm here with
Sylvia.
And Sylvia, I noticed her, she is riding her trike up here on Route 66. It's a neat trike that I've never seen before. So why don't you tell me a little bit about your trip and what you got going on?
Yeah, so I have been touring with my trike since 2007, really all over the world. And this is the first time I'm able to tour over the summer months. And so I'm doing this epic tour, getting a lot of routes off my bucket list. So I started in Needles, California. I'm taking Route 66 to Missouri, and then I'm going to go across to Washington, D.C., and then I'm turning around because I have electric assist. I cannot get my trike or those batteries on a plane. So I said, okay, let's just ride. So I'm going to take a bike route, probably the most popular bike route across the country, the Trans-America from Virginia to Oregon. And then I'm going to go down the coast to Los Angeles, and I will make my way back to the desert where I started. So the trip's about 9,000 miles, probably 9-10 months.
That sounds like an awesome trip, and I definitely want to follow along. Are you posting any of this online or on socials or anything like that?
Yeah, so everything, you can find me by Travels by Trike on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. I also have a blog that I started in 2007. It is extensive, has just a ton of information, and that's also Travels by Trike on Blogspot.
So we're out here at your rig. Can you tell me a little bit about it?
Yeah, so this is what's called a tadpole tricycle. It's a recumbent. It's made by a company called HP Velotechnik. It's out of Germany. I kind of talk about it as being the Mercedes of trikes. It's kind of a high-end design for touring and very rugged. It has suspension on all three wheels with 20-inch wheels. I have electric assist and the motor, and this is the Shimano Steps E8000. It's a very small motor, 250 watts. There's no throttle, so I have to pedal if I want to get anywhere. And then underneath, on both sides, are the batteries. So I have actually four batteries with me. And I just stopped here to switch one of them out. I've got a lot of climbing to do today. And then this is where I keep my cold weather gear. And then this is my Burley trailer. This is where I keep all my gear. Yeah. Nice. And a nice sign here with all your socials. Right. Yeah, I hope this lasts. I'm kind of not expecting it to, but I thought it was a fun idea.
It totally will. And then she has a sticker here, and she's going to put one of her stickers up on the sticker wall.
Sticker wall.
Yeah.
Turtle.
And I appreciate you stopping and letting me be a weirdo and record you.
Right? This is fun. I'm going to put it here because this one's kind of sticking up.
Yeah.
And we'll make it stick on there.
And
there you go.
All right. If you would just turn around real quick.
So the name of my tricycle is Myrtle the Turtle.
Nice.
So that's what this sticker is. That's a turtle. What
Nice.
it would look like if a turtle was a tricycle.
Sylvia and Myrtle want to ring the bell here for you at Valentine Station and wish you well on all your journeys. So to Sylvia and Myrtle, the trike, Here we're going to ring the bell for you and hope you have a great day. Now, this is part of the sticker display case here, and we are going to head and these are people that have stopped by, a motorcycle group from Mumbai, Harley Davidson Club, Sweden, I believe Argentina. Oh my goodness, that could be Spain, I'm wrong. Oh gosh. This is the international side. So we are going to put this over here on the national side.